Okay, so today we are going to find the missing value given the mean. So if you're given the mean of a data set, and for here we have raisins in a scoop of each brand of Raisin Bran cereal, we have a bar graph given to us, and on the x-axis we have the brand. We have good to go, great for you, and morning meal. And on our y-axis we have the number of raisins in those boxes of each scoop. If the mean of the data set is 7 raisins, find the number of raisins in each group of great for you. So if you remember, the mean is finding the average of our data set, which means we have to add all data and then divide by the number of data, number of values in our data set to get our mean, right? So here we wanted to look at our bar graph. So good to go, there are 9 raisins in each scoop. Morning meal, there's 7. And we don't know how many for great for you. So we have 3 values, 1, 2, 3. We have our good to go, which is 9. We have our morning meal, which is 7, but we do not know, and when we don't know something, we put the value of X, how many raisins are in great for you, and that's what we have to find. Now, our total number of brands that we have that we divided by to get our mean of 7 is 3 brands. So here we're going to have to kind of like work a little bit backwards. Normally we would have all 3 values, we would divide and get our mean. So now what we can do is we have to solve our equation here. And we are going to add the values up on top. So 9 plus 7 is 16 plus x divided by 3 equals 7. Now we have to get rid of this fraction. In order to get rid of a fraction, we need to multiply both sides by our denominator. So you're going to have a little calculation and little problems here, so make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil to work this out. If you need a calculator, the calculator is on the bottom, or if you have one on your own, that's great to use. So we're going to multiply both sides of our equation by 3. They cancel out on the left-hand side because remember this is 3 over 1. We can simplify, and we're left with 16 plus x equals 7 times 3, which is 21. Now we're left with a one-step equation. We're going to subtract 16 from both sides because we have to get rid of that 16 to get x by itself, so it's positive. On the left-hand side, we're going to subtract it, the opposite, or using our inverse operations, and it cancels out on the left-hand side, and we're left with x is equal to 21 minus 16 is 5. So from this data, we know that great for you has an average of 5 raisins per scoop. So we go ahead and we check our answer, 5 raisins per scoop.